Today's topic, how to stop snoring naturally. As you may agree, snoring is one of the most common super annoying thing that happens to many people. Because, you're literally shouting into other people's ears with a microphone. And let's face it, it make you look like this cat. So, how can you stop snoring naturally? Number 1. Stop drinking. Don't be like this one all the time. Or like this one here. Or like this one either. Number 2. Lose some fat. Just like this guy did recently. Or what this girl did in just 1 month. If you stay like this one here forever, you are going to snore the hell out of people. So, do something about it. And, be like this guys before you are too old. Number 3. Stop smoking. As they say, smokers snore more. Do not be like this kid here. Or this guy. Or this old little man from the outer space. It's time you stop. Stop, and stop. Number 4. Use pillows. It means, do not sleep like this guy all the time. Sleep like her. Nicely and comfortably. So, you got the points? Now, if you can't get that snoring thing of yours with these natural methods, you have to take it very seriously. Because you guys can't stay like this poor couple all the time. So, if you can spend a few bucks to stop snoring, like forever, visit www.xteb.com/stopsnoring.